Now, here's Ozzy with news about big-as-life pictures.
Say, do you know what this is? It's a Kodak 35mm color slide. It's not very big, is it? Only 2 inches by 2 inches. And yet, when you project it on a home screen, you get color pictures as big as life. Now, Kodak has many fine color slide cameras and a wide range of prices. Here's one I like especially. The new Kodak Signet 50 camera. It has a built-in photoelectric light meter that takes all the guesswork out of exposure. You just aim it at your subject, and it tells you how much light there is or isn't. It's just like having an expert photographer showing you which setting to use.
The Kodak Signet 50 camera, complete with flash holder, costs just $82.50, or as little as $8.50 down. Why not get one this week at your dealer's Kodak Camera Carnival? You know, Ozzy was right a few minutes ago when he said Kodak dealers are offering you a wonderful chance to bring your picture-taking up to date. This Camera Carnival is your opportunity to get a truly modern Kodak camera with all the latest advances by Kodak's camera engineers. This brand new Pony camera, for example, is really an amazing achievement. It's a full-fledged 35mm camera, yet the Pony actually makes color slides as easy to take as snapshots. There's just one exposure setting, and you're in business. You aim and shoot. And perhaps the most incredible thing of all about the Pony camera is its price. Only $26.75, or as little as $3 down. So why not bring your picture taking up to date? Visit your Kodak dealer and ask for one of the cameras Ozzy and Harriet use. They're made by Kodak, so you know they're good.
Next week, Ozzy and Harriet will be brought to you by Eastman Kodak Company. We went to Hartford, Connecticut, and picked out 10 people who had never before taken home movies. We gave each of them a new Kodak Brownie movie camera and a roll of Kodachrome film. We showed them how easy the camera was to use. Then we asked them to tell us how they made out with their very first roll. Here is what they said.
I never dreamed that movies were so easy to take. Actually, they were as easy as taking snapshots.
They turned out great. Wonderful color, too.
I couldn't believe this camera cost so little.
Everyone agreed. They got wonderful home movies the very first time with Kodak's new Brownie movie camera. It costs only $32.50 or as little as $3.25 down. And remember, your surest way to better movies is to insist on the name Kodak. Is this all that you have to remind you of the fun of last Christmas? Ornaments, gift paper, ribbons, and bows? Well, this year, with a Brownie movie camera, you can save the truly wonderful things of Christmas. The rapture on the face of a child seeing his first Christmas tree. The excitement of a boy getting the one thing he wished for most. All the love, happiness, and joy of Christmas. Yours to enjoy again and again in beautiful big-screen movies. You'll get all the action and color with a Brownie movie camera. And now you can have both the camera and the new easy-to-use Brownie 8 projector in this complete outfit for $78.25 or as little as $8 down. This week, visit a store that displays this sign. Give a Brownie movie camera so your family can take movies and make this the best Christmas they'll ever remember. Next week, Ozzy and Harriet will be brought to you by Eastman Kodak Company. Now, in the automatic age of photography, you can take beautiful movies automatically. This is Kodak's new Brownie automatic movie camera. With it, you can shoot movies in bright sunlight or in deep shade like this and get correct exposure without a single adjustment. You never even think about the light because a built-in electric eye light meter adjusts your camera for you and gives you the right exposure automatically.
We're a mighty lucky family to have so many fine movies of our good times together. And now that you can take your movies automatically with this new Brownie camera, I'm sure you'll want to get started right away.
See the Brownie automatic movie camera at your dealers this week. It costs $74.50 or as little as $7.50 down. It's new from Kodak in the automatic age of photography. In a few short weeks, Christmas will be over, and the lights and tinsel will be put away for another year. But in many homes, the joy of this Christmas will live forever because Mother gave Father a Brownie movie camera, and they captured it all in movies right from the start. And how about you? Why don't you make this a give and take Christmas? Give your family a Brownie automatic movie camera so they can take movies that save all the action and color of Christmas. The Brownie automatic movie camera costs $74.50 or as little as $7.50 down. And it's easy to use. Whether you shoot in bright sunlight or in deep shade, your camera sets itself to the right exposure automatically. And to show your movies bright and clear, there's the fine Brownie 500 projector. Why not give your family a Kodak gift and make this the happiest Christmas you'll ever remember?
Kodak suggests a give and take Christmas.
Give Kodak gifts for Christmas. Take pictures, save the fun, and share your Merry Christmas days with everyone. Give Kodak gifts for Christmas. Take all the Christmas cheer to live again, enjoy again, year after year. Give Kodak gifts for Christmas. Take pictures all year through. To give a Kodak gift's the merriest Christmas thing to do.
I'm sure all of us enjoy having Christmas pictures. So this year, why don't you enjoy a give and take Christmas? Give a Kodak gift to those you love so they can take pictures they'll always treasure. It's a good way to make this the happiest holiday season you'll ever remember.
Next week, Ozzie and Harriet will be brought to you by Eastman Kodak Company.
One good time.
Deserves another.
And you can double the fun of any day's outing.
With a Brownie camera by Kodak. This Brownie Starmite camera, for example, is the handiest flash camera Kodak ever made.
And it lets you get good pictures the first time, with no instruction at all.
No instruction at all. You can count on clear, bright snapshots in black and white or color.
Even color slides you can show as big as life.
The Starmite camera with built-in flash holder costs less than $12.
Other Brownie cameras cost less than $7.
Remember, only a Brownie camera gives you so much pleasure at so low a cost.
Next week, the Nelson family will be brought to you by Eastman Kodak Company. And now, here's Ozzie.
Tonight, I'd like to show you a new idea in picture taking. A fine 35mm camera by Kodak called the Automatic 35. It lets you take beautiful color slides and get the right exposure time after time automatically. Just as your own eyes adjust to changing light, the Kodak Automatic 35 camera with its electric eye meter measures the light and adjusts itself automatically. It has a fine, fast lens. It takes superb color slides wherever you may be, and it's as easy to use as a snapshot camera. Now pictures you once might have missed come out fine, automatically. I'd suggest that you see it this week at your Kodak dealers.
The Kodak Automatic 35 camera costs $89.50 or as little as $9 down. It's the newest idea in 35mm photography by Kodak. Next week, Ozzie and Harriet will be brought to you by Eastman Kodak Company. And now, here's Ozzie.
If ever a camera wouldn't let you miss a picture, this is it. This is the new Kodak Motormatic 35, the most automatic camera I've ever seen. The Motormatic 35 advances the film by itself as quick as a wink. And it sets the lens by itself, too, so you're always ready for the next picture instantly. Here's all you do when you're ready to capture that fleeting expression that so often happens just after you press the button. While you shoot, the electric eye adjusts the lens for the right exposure in sun or shade automatically. You get a good shot every shot. Try it at your Kodak dealers this week.
The Kodak Motormatic 35 camera makes a wonderful gift for graduation, weddings, anniversaries, or any special occasion. And the name Kodak means it's the finest you can. Here's how you can relive a good time over and over again. See it, big as life in full color slides. The newest, smartest way to take color slides is with a stylish Kodak Signet 40 camera. You'll wear it proudly everywhere you go. Just aim, focus, snap. It's as easy as that. Exciting action shots, eye-catching close-ups, beautiful scenes, indoors or out, day or night. You can take them all in rich, beautiful color. The Kodak Signet 40 is the smartest color slide camera you can buy, yet it costs only $74 or as little as $7.50 down. Other fine Kodak color slide cameras range in price from $31.50 to $175. Ask your dealer about easy terms, and remember, when your camera is made by Kodak, you know it's good. Now, one inexpensive movie camera takes 1, 2, 3 kinds of movies. Kodak's new Brownie movie camera, turret model, lets you choose the view you want. Scenics, medium shots, or close-ups. Just flip the lens, then sight and shoot. You'll get beautiful panoramas, colorful medium shots, and exciting close-ups, all without moving a step. You get 3 kinds of movie making, and you pay less than the cost of many one-lens cameras. Only $79.50 complete. Ask about easy terms. The Brownie turret is made by Kodak, so you know it's good. Here are the first Brownie cameras ever designed to take 3 different kinds of pictures. The Brownie Star Flash camera and the Brownie Star Flex camera. They start at less than $9, but they take crisp black and white snapshots, beautiful color snapshots, and brilliant color slides. Star Flash, Star Flex. Imagine inexpensive cameras that actually take color slides as easily as snapshots. The Star Flex with this big picture window on top shows you your picture just like this. So it's easy to get exactly the picture you want. The Star Flash has a built-in flash holder, so you're always ready to take snapshots or color slides, even indoors or at night. And both these cameras let you take close-ups from as little as 4 feet away. You'll get better pictures than ever before because they both have a new Feather Touch shutter release. The Star Flash costs $8.95 with built-in flash. The Star Flex, just $10.75. Flash holder, $3.75. And they're made by Kodak, so you know they're good.
Tonight, I'd like to show you one of the world's great cameras, a magnificent new Retina Reflex by Kodak. This camera is for the professional and the advanced amateur. It's been acclaimed both here and abroad as one of the world's really great cameras. Now here's another great Kodak camera, but in a completely different way. This is the Pony 2, a wonderful camera for people who are just getting started in color slides. Kodak Engineering, the engineering that produced this Retina Reflex, has made the Pony 2 so amazingly simple to use that now you can get color slides every bit as easily as snapshots. All you do to focus the Pony is turn this ring to close-ups, groups, or scenes, and you can be sure you'll get beautiful slides. Thousands of people, including the Nelson family, have found the Pony camera a real pleasure to use. It costs only $26.75, or as little as $3 down. Why not ask your Kodak dealer to demonstrate it for you? Just tell him you saw it on tonight's Ozzie and Harriet show.
Big. Bigger. Big as life. Imagine showing pictures of your own youngsters as big as they are and in glorious color. It's easy with Kodak color slides. And today, it's easier to take your own color slides than ever before, thanks to a brand new simplified Kodak camera, the Pony. The new Pony is simply beautiful to see and beautifully simple to operate. It loads in a jiffy and you're ready to shoot. It makes color slides as easy to take as snapshots. Beautiful color slides, clear, sharp, and lifelike. Of course, you can get fine color enlargements too. But the most exciting thing of all about the new Pony camera is its price. Just $26.75 or less than $3 down. The new Pony is just one of many outstanding new 35mm cameras by Kodak. You can see them demonstrated this week, wherever you see this sign. Remember, when the camera you choose is made by Kodak, you know it's good.